y'all, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make some pink lip gloss with the chunky glitter in it. So I showed the bag. I actually got the 3.5 bag from TKB Trading of Versagel. So I'm going to be using that today. There's my tubes because I'm making a wholesale order and my daughter is sitting at the table with me because she likes to watch me do this. So yes, I did get the big syringes this time, which I'm going to show y'all in a second. Because I got tired of messing around with them little small syringes. It just felt like I kept filling them up every time. Like, every 3 lip glosses. So I ain't had time for that. So, yeah, as you can see, I got the big one this time. And that honestly helped me a lot. I was able to fill at least 10 at a time. So, yes, welcome to the video. Enjoy. Alright, so now I'm just adding in my oils and my Versagel, just stirring everything up, making sure I got the proper mixture of oil and gel, because you don't want it too oily, you don't want it too like thick. So I'm just trying to find the perfect consistency here and trying to mix everything up together. So that's what you see me doing. So yeah, y'all, I'm just continuing to stir. This part honestly becomes repetitive because you're going to continue to stir and stir and stir. Just keep stirring, whipping it up, whipping it up, whipping it up, whipping it up. Now I'm going to start adding my liquid lips in there, which is the coloring. And I'm only going to add a little bit at a time just to see exactly what shade I want the gloss to turn out. So yeah, just add a little bit at the time because you can always add more. But if you put too much, you can't take it out. So while I'm still mixing the colors up, my sister already in the background, if you can see those tubes back there, she already put the glitter in there for me. I'm also adding more gloss base just to make sure I still got that right consistency. It's a thing you're gonna have to just, you're gonna have to know like how you like your stuff. And I wanted it a little bit more thicker and a little bit more gloss. So yeah, she already put the glitter in the tubes back there, so she just waiting for me to finish with this part so that way we can start filling our tubes. Y'all, so this part got a little messy, but here we are. We got them filled. So that's all that matters. That part did get a little messy. I ended up having to cut the end of the pipette because I didn't cut it, and it was just a hot mess, as y'all can see. But everything turned out good. So yeah, right here, this part you're just gonna see me putting each cap inside of the tubes, and that's this part. Yes, y'all. So this is the end result. They are so cute and they smell so good. So this is how they turned out. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Show me some love. Thank you.